you going? I thought we were going to discuss a renovation.
It's that time of the year again. Event 7 is back, and Carpenters is bringing you more gifts and promotions. Make an appointment online and get a special 7% discount on your home renovation. Choose one of these 7 gifts when you sign up with us. Enjoy exclusive lights and showers bundles for your newly renovated house. RSVP before 14th of August to enjoy these promotions and more. Don't ghost on these amazing deals. Visit us at carpenters.com.sg and our Facebook page for more.
Hello, is this Vivian from Carpenters? Sorry, did I just get you?
What are you talking about? I'm at home now. The meeting is tomorrow. Hello? Hello? Oh, hello?